Thank you for choosing the PureDrop 16K series water purifier. With proper installation and maintenance, this water purifier will provide clean water for years to come. Please follow the instructions in the video for proper installation procedures. Before we start, carefully read the precautions section on the user manual. Ensure all parts are included in your water purifier's package and that you have all the necessary tools ready. The system design fits common 3/8 inch or 1/2 inch NPT. A convert fitting may be needed if you have a different size connection. Contact us if you have any product or installation related questions. Installation. PureDrop 16K series are designed for under sink use. Please clean out the space under the sink before installation. Please note, if the inlet water pressure exceeds 60 psi, a pressure regulator is required. Step 1. Unwrap and attach the filter cartridge to the unit. The filter release button should snap back into place with a click. If you're installing the PDR-16K UF2 model, ensure the PCB filter is positioned on the inlet side, while the CU filter is on the outlet side of the unit. Step 2. Measure and cut the 3/8 inch tubing into 2 segments with a utility knife. Insert each tubing 1/2 inch deep into the unit's inlet and outlet port. Lock the tubing in place by inserting the locking clip. Step 3. The unit includes both 3/8 inch NPT and 1/2 inch NPT connectors. Please use the ones that match your setup. Insert the tip of the inlet tubing 1/2 inch deep into the female thread quick connector, and the tip of the outlet tubing into the male thread quick connector. Step 4. Shut off the cold water valve under the sink and turn on the faucet to drain out any air and water in the hose. Step 5. Unscrew the faucet connector hose from the cold water valve. Be prepared to catch any excess water from the hose with a towel. Step 6. Ensure the seal O-ring is seated properly inside the connectors. Connect the unit's inlet connector to the cold water valve and the outlet connector to the faucet hose. Ensure locking clamps are inserted on all quick fitting connections. The installation is now complete. Please note, mounting the system is not required. If you wish to mount the system on the wall, use the included mounting guide sticker to set the mounting screws. Ensure the system is mounted at least 4 inches above the ground for easier access with future filter replacements. Operation. Before turning on the cold water valve, ensure all connections are secure. Then turn on the valve and check for any leaks. Run water from the faucet for 5 to 10 minutes to rinse the filter cartridge. At first, the water may appear dark, but it will clear up as the loose carbon is flushed out. Remember to repeat this every time you replace the filter. Filter replacement. Step 1. Shut off the cold water valve under the sink and turn on the faucet to drain out any air and water in the hose. Step 2. Hold the bottom of the filter cartridge with one hand. Press the black button on the head unit to release the filter cartridge. Be prepared to catch any excess water from the head unit with a towel. Step 3. Unwrap and attach the filter cartridges to the unit. The filter release button should snap back into place with a clicking sound. If you're installing the PDR-16K UF2 model, ensure the PCB filter is positioned on the inlet side, while the CU filter is on the outlet side of the unit. Step 4. Turn on the cold water valve and check for any leaks. Step 5. Run water from the faucet for 5 to 10 minutes to rinse the filter cartridge. At first, the water may appear dark, but it will clear up as the loose carbon is flushed out. Filter replacement is now complete. Please refer to the user manual or contact us directly if you have any questions. Thank you.